A great feature is the practice pronunciation mode, which is available on the new Pocketalk models and with the software update. Whether you're learning a new dialect or improving a current language, you can practice enunciating words correctly with Pocketalk. Here's how you access it. Activate the translator like you normally would, either through the talk button or from the previous chat history. Then, translate the desired phrase you want to learn. For example, the weather's beautiful today. Let's go to the beach.
O tempo está bonito hoje em dia. Vamos para a praia.
Tap the three dots on the top right for more options. In the pop-up, select Practice Pronunciation. Hold down the talk button and say the phrase back. O tempo está bonito hoje em dia. Vamos para a praia. Pocketalk will let you know which words you mispronounced in red. And near the top right is the playback icon. Tap it and select the playback speed of your choice. Standard, slowly, or very slowly.
O tempo está bonito hoje em dia. Vamos para a praia.
Pocketalk will read at the speed of your choice, and you can listen to the phrase again. O tempo está bonito hoje em dia. Vamos para a praia. Learning and improving a language has never been easier with Pocketalk.